in this tutorial, we are going to go through the AWS console. We are going to learn how to use it and get around it. So this is where we are going to follow the instructions. Getting started with AWS Management Console, it's 15 minutes. And what we will learn, the different sections of the console home, how to access account information, how to switch AWS regions, how to work with widgets on the console home. So you can sign in from here, and if you don't have an AWS account, you can sign up first. It's not going to take long. And this is the console when you sign in. These are the services. If you don't see anything here, you can find everything by typing here as well. EC2, whichever you like to go for. And the services, you can check for more services based on topics. And recently visited all services, you can go to all services. There is a big list of services that you can use. And prerequisites. Before starting guide, you will learn, if you don't have already one, you can go. And AWS Management Console Home. First one shows how you can change the regions from here. This is the Amazon account, your account and your account ID. This is the region. You can change regions from here. And then, as I showed you, the services and the search console here, you can search for whichever service you need. Okay, this goes to Cloud Shell. Okay, and let's go back for now. Account information, region, service selector, search box, AWS Cloud Shell, and account details about your account, including address, contact, information, billing settings, and more. Organization is an account management service that enables you to consolidate multiple AWS accounts in an organization that you create and centrally manage. Service quotas also refers to a limit of AWS services, are the maximum values for the resources, actions, and items in your AWS account. And when a new account is created, there are default values such as assigning 5 elastic IP addresses. These limits can be increased by logging to support ticket. Billing dashboard, it's just here. You can use the dashboard page for AWS Billing Console to gain a general view of AWS spending. Security credentials. The link will take you to AWS IAM user page. In the IAM part of the console, where you can change your password, add two-factor authentication, generate AWS API keys, and more. Settings. This link will take you to general settings configuration page, from where you can manage console global settings such as default language and regions, as well as preferences to optimize your console display experience. On the regions, as I showed you, the second highlighted menu shows the currently selected AWS region. AWS global infrastructure is grouped into regions, and each service is hosted in a region unless it's a global service such as AWS IAM or Amazon Route 53. The menu will display the currently selected region or global when you have selected a global service. The text consists of the region groups such as US East, region name such as North and Virginia, and the region string based by AWS CLI, SDK, and other services such as US East 1. When you click on the current selected region, a drop-down will appear with all the available regions, just as I showed you right now, with all the available regions. You can select from there. AWS Service Selector services menu, just here. The third highlighted menu is AWS Service Selector. You can use this to navigate between services grouped by top-level categories such as compute, which include AWS EC2, along with other services like AWS Elastic Beanstalk and Amazon Lightsail. This is a great way to explore the various services by category, especially if you are new to AWS. You can also make favorites by selecting the star. By selecting the star, you can add favorites here. Let me see. Just here appears, and you can make favorites. AWS search. We can search each service, as I just said, by typing Lightsail and as many more you can select directly. Services, list of AWS services, list of features of AWS services, blogs posts from AWS blog, documentation, knowledge articles, tutorials, hands-on guides from AWS Getting Started Resource Center, events, AWS hosted events that are upcoming or available on demand, marketplace, AWS marketplace offerings that you can deploy in your account. It's easy to find. You can go here and see documentation. They are based on categories, and you can find the tutorials related to this topic, which is quite useful. Okay, and AWS Cloud Shell. Just by clicking here, you can go into the Cloud Shell. Just read it now. The fifth highlighted item of AWS Cloud Shell. By selecting this icon, you will launch a browser-based shell environment that is pre-authenticated with your console credential. Use this to execute AWS CLI commands or script using the AWS SDK from the browser. If you add any files to Cloud Shell up to 1 GB limit, it will persist the files between sessions. Cloud Shell is a useful tool for security interactions with AWS account and is region specific. So any files that you upload are specific to that region. The current selected region is displayed in orange above. Just like this. Here, it will display when we go into Cloud Shell. And AWS dashboard widgets, you can see here. Recently visited, welcome to AWS. You can go to getting started, tutorials and training certification, what's new in AWS Health, cost and usage. I don't see the cost, it's not configured on the cost management. I don't have much used cost, but my last billing doesn't show here. Okay, and AWS Health, and if there are any health issues, these will be highlighted here. We can go build a solution. Start building with simple wizards and automated workflows. Trusted is advisor. Past items built using virtual servers. Host a static web app. This is how you go there. AWS Health, cost, usage, favorites, recently visit. That's all. In conclusion, we have seen the AWS console and how to get started. It should be easy to find and go around to see what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.